Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on an opulent journey inside the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Camper Motorhome, an ultra-luxury rolling palace that redefines mobile living. Exterior. As you approach, the iconic Rolls-Royce grille appears, stretched and elegant, merging seamlessly with a bold camper silhouette. Precision-crafted body panels and bespoke paint options highlight the coach-built aesthetic. Chrome accents, custom roof rails, and hidden solar panels give it both elegance and purpose. At nearly 22 feet in length and built to withstand varied terrain, its stance is imposing yet refined. Interior. Step inside and you're immediately surrounded by handcrafted luxury, fine leather seats, polished wood veneers, bespoke fabrics, and ambient LED lighting. A full gourmet kitchen includes concealed high-end appliances, fridge, stove, storage compartments. Behind that, a plush bedroom area with a king-size bed, climate-controlled seating, and hotel-grade comfort. The living space is spacious and refined, tailored to individual preference and fully bespoke. Performance. Under the hood sits a twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing around 563 horsepower and approximately 664 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless acceleration. Some hybrid configurations may boost efficiency, offering up to 15 to 20 mpg. Suspension is adaptive air ride, helping this massive vehicle glide over rough roads with ease. Off-road features include all-wheel drive and terrain control modes, providing stability and comfort in any setting. Price. This motorhome commands extreme exclusivity, starting around $1.25 million and reaching $2.5 million or more, depending on options and customizations. Since every interior is bespoke, final pricing varies widely for elite buyers. Now, let's break down the sections in detail. Exterior segment. Here we see the front fascia, Rolls-Royce's signature Spirit of Ecstasy statue looming over a refined, elongated grille. The coach-built body is crafted to create a bold yet elegant silhouette, with paintwork and trim tailored down to the finest detail. Interior segment. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by plush, climate-controlled leather seats, warm wood veneers, and luxe fabrics throughout. The kitchen is a masterpiece of hidden luxury appliances, finished in polished chrome and soft close cabinetry. The bedroom features a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and bespoke touches to ensure total comfort and privacy. Performance segment. Under the hood, that 6.7L twin-turbo V12 kicks out over 560 horsepower and 660 plus lb featuring of torque, delivering effortless acceleration. Behind it, an 8-speed automatic gearbox shifts smoothly and intelligently, with optional hybrid assistance for improved fuel efficiency. The adaptive air suspension smooths out bumps, and all-wheel drive plus terrain mode settings offer confidence on varied roads. Price segment. For those curious about cost, base price starts at about $1.25 million, but fully customized models, especially those with bespoke interiors and hybrid powertrain options, can top $2.5 million or more. Closing outro segment. Thanks for tagging along on this luxury tour of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Camper Motorhome. From its majestic exterior to sumptuous interior, from powerful V12 performance to eye-watering price, this rolling masterpiece is redefining what ultra-luxury travel can be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more elite vehicle reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an exclusive tour. See you next time.